Padre Island. Yes! We're gonna do something I'm not used to doing. That's fishing with just lures. Until I get something, and then I'm gonna throw it on a shark pole. But yeah, Royce has the cast net, so time to go lure fishing. Throwing the regular spoon on. Let's see how this goes. There we go. Regular spoon. No tassels, no nothing. So many bait fish around. Oh, hooked up. Oh, it's trying to get it. It's trying to get it. Go slower. We may have one. No. Oh, I got one, I think. Yeah, I got one here. Woo! Real close to me. Oh yes, keeping the drag low. Oh my God, it's a beautiful whiting. Oh, it's a red. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's a beautiful red. Oh, wow, that is my first red this year. You're so pretty. Oh my goodness. I'll give you right back. I'll give you right back. I promise. Here, make it lower. Let me get lower. Here we go. He's just over. I don't know, 1.5 feet. Let me get this guy back. Oh, I gotta drop him in the water. Get my hook outs. Come on, come here, little buddy. I know. I'm sorry. I didn't have my hook outs on me. I know. You'll live. You'll live. All right. Actually, we can put you here. Yeah. Beautiful. Hope this GoPro is recording. All right. Now you stay there. Oh no. Oh, they float. That's good. All right, first redfish for me. Oh my gosh, first catch and release, redfish. So happy. Small one, but goodness, he lived. Went out beautifully. I'll try to get the next release on camera. All right, first redfish. Throw the shoes off here because they were in the way. Oh shit, where's my hook outs? Need my hook outs. Those are important. There we go. Hook outs. Woo! Redfish! Haven't got that at the beach yet. Alright, get us some mao. Alright, spoon. Do me some work. Woo! Oh, stepping on crabs! Always scary. Always scary. Throw it deep out to the left with the tide. See how this does. On the way back in. Woo! Oh, bite on the first throw. Guarantee we get another one too. Oh, somebody's messing with it. No. Seaweed maybe? Oh! Yes! Got him! Got him! Oh, he got off right there! He was in a little school of fish! Damn it! It's alright. We'll get him next time. That was one cast. Spoon. 45 feet away. Oh my god, it's beautiful after a storm. There's no guts. No nothing. Oh, I think we got him. Oh, no? Do we have him? Oh, he shook off. He shook off right in front of me. It's all right. Name of the game. These are short casts, maybe, I don't know, 20, 25 yards. But if you're just casting into the guts, you get some good runs. Oh my god, I don't know what these fish are, but they're beautiful. I wish I had a cast net. Catching a bunch of them. So many. And so far I've just been reeling in at a constant rate. I haven't been jigging or anything. It's not at a depth that would need jigging. Just casting into the current. Whoa! I think that one went way far back. Can't all be your best throws. No, it feels like seaweed. Feels like seaweed. Probably get some bigger ones if I go throw some casts into from the whatever sandbar that is in front of me. See if I can get another red. That was fun. Oh, something's hitting it. Something's playing. Small. Can't believe I haven't gotten a whiting yet. Got a red, which I never get. Went a little shallow for my taste. Oh, there's a bait ball out there. Oh, something's hitting it right in front of me. Nope. I'm gonna go cast into what I see over there. Oh, there's a deep cut here. Oh, let's keep running. No pain, no gain. Woo! Some hitting in the toes. Oh, some hit good too. Don't tell me I got one. Oh my gosh, we got a small one. A dinker, they call them. Got a dinker, I'm sure. Unless that's just my weight. He might have dropped it. Yeah, he dropped it. And in the surf, I swear, you just have to cast and reel slow. All the waves do everything for you. I might have one. No, he got off. Damn it. No, I'm playing with it. Yep, got one. Got one on. Oh, he got off. No, 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 he's still on, he's still on. Oh, he got off, bastard. Yep, got one. Oh. Got him, got him, got him, got him. Come here, come here, come here. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Yes, yes. Got him. I don't know what you are, but you are mine. Oh, he got off. Oh, it was a little ladyfish and her guts were ripped out. I tried to get her. Damn, my first bait. This is rough. Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh, no, no, no. Is he on? No, damn it. So close. I need bait. Give me bait. This is rough getting bait without a cast net. Yes! Oh no! Yes! Yes! Got one! Got one! Ladyfish! No! Oh no! Damn it! Oh! Right in front of me. Just gonna throw it like 2 feet in front of me. See what happens. Ah! So hard with them ladyfish. Smaller hook, small ladyfish. Didn't want to do it. Time to go to the smaller hooks. Gotta go back to base. Freaking half a mile back.